up, you guys? I just accidentally deleted the video that I just made, and it was just very good. How don't you like being a YouTuber? So I made a black slime with making, and I made a baby blue slime. It's over here. So. Yeah. You can see how the bubbles popping. So, yeah, this is a pretty slime. I'm sorry you didn't get to see what I added. So, this is a secret slime, I guess. Borax. I'm going to move this towel just because I need to. So I can put this on and show you guys. This is turning into very good slime. So yeah, guys, like this video if you like slime. This is coming together very good. I know it's all over my hands, but that will be gone in a few minutes. So I'm gonna need this now. So yeah, guys, I'll just go out and see if we can come over. Probably won't be able to because the roads are very bad. Helicopter. I'm gonna make that blue slime a butter slime. Oh my goodness, guys, there's so much glitter in this box. Okay, so put this back up where my slime stuff is. Dump my borax out. Up there. Okay. Here's my galaxy slime. has itched. And I have it all over my hands. I'm gonna add some perfume to this. I'm gonna get my Model Magic. Well, first of all, I'm gonna make this slime over there and get my butter slime. When I'm gonna make a butter slime right here. Very fluffy. Okay, I'm gonna get my. Okay, so we're gonna have to work my clay in because a little bit dried out, just a little bit, not a lot. Actually, it didn't at all. Here's just my clay. I just got a bunch of glitter in it. Wow. Lucky me. Okay, this. I'm gonna do a morning routine for you guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little bit. I know this isn't gonna be as satisfying as all the other videos because I don't have Daiso clay. And I just mix like a bunch of slime into this one. That looks pretty. It's coming together. Okay guys, so this is my butter slime. Here's my galaxy slime. And yeah, so comment which slime you like better. Here, I'm gonna make 2 swirls right beside each other. Kinda. Here's the butter. Oh, here is the galaxy. So yeah, guys, comment which slime you like better, black or blue. So guys, that will be all for this video. I hope you liked it. You know, if you like it, you can share with your friends. I mean, you don't have to do that because I know I'm not your favorite. But, yeah, hope you liked the video. Subscribe if you're new. We'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys want me to do a morning routine, I'm not doing like right now. So, love you guys. Peace, rescues.